Okay, let's see what this earth and moon grounding sheets are all about. Let's open them. A ver qué tal. So check out these sheets. There are organic cotton and pure silver fiber. So it's so soft and it's like bringing buena energía. Yes, good energy while you sleep. This isn't just a sheet. It's a whole wellness vibe. These are super good for you. Helps with stress. It helps with sleep. Check them out. These are perfect grounding sheets. This is an outlet tester in case you need it. This is 15 feet of grounding cord. Here it is. Here's that safety adapter, which you would plug this in here. Check it out. So you just attach it here. There you go. So you just hook this up. And here we have the laundry mesh bag. Let's open it. It's like thick, soft. I don't know, I push it in and it like feels like it just dissolved. So let's put this on. A ver qué tal. Grounded, balanced, rested. These Earth and Moon grounding sheets are made with organic cotton and silver fiber for better sleep, less stress, and more good vibes. Say adios to stress and hello to grounding sleep. Check them out. Order yours today.